Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a simple semicircle pattern for macrame projects. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached one rope to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. How I've secured this rope is that the side here on the left is much shorter than the side on the right. So to tie this pattern, I'm going to take the side on the right, the longer side, and cross it over my short rope. You'll notice I formed a loop. I'm going to twist it around and send it through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull that tight. And all I do is repeat these steps. As you form this, it will naturally start moving towards the left side. And this is perfect for when we attach it in a semicircle pattern. So just keep tying these knots until you've reached the desired length. Okay, so once you have reached the desired length to make the size semicircle you would like, we're going to attach this end to our dowel rod using a lark's head knot. So I'm going to take that shorter rope that we were tying all the knots around and cross it over my dowel rod. I'm going to send that rope around, pull it tight, cross it over. I'm going to send it behind the dowel rod, and then it's going to go under the loop. And I just pull that nice and tight. Now to take care of this long string, I'm just going to send it over that short to form another loop like we were doing before. Wrap it around, send it through, pull that tight. That's going to fill in the gaps. And now technically this is finished. So to end your strings, you can either have them just hang nice and down. You can tie these in a cute little pattern too to add a fun element. Or what we can do is send both of these behind our project and tuck them in the back so they stay hidden. So the back of our project just looks exactly like the front side. And what you can do is just send each end and weave it through these knots. So use a tapestry needle or a crochet hook to help you do this, and just pull them through and they will be hidden. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.